me? Shit. Goodness gracious.
For whatever value it has. But yeah, this is a little bit weird because there is a lot of money in play, and the only people not getting paid are the only people who, truly speaking, are essential. So that's weird.
What are you doing, dude? Really? Hey, hey, hey! What are you doing? Thank you. Dash cam.
Let's take a privilege walk. What the hell is a privilege walk? Well, if you weren't so privileged, you'd know. So they have the Pentagon has new anti-extremism and diversity training within the ranks, and
Or does that mean, dude, come on, bro. Step on the gas pedal. Jesus. Fuck, dude, don't get on the freeway at 30 miles an hour. Sorry.
It's okay, I just flew by somebody going like 50 on the freeway. Just old man cruising. You get by him?
Yeah, now he's driving like an asshole.
All day, always.
Yeah.
continue on Iowa 38.
Oh my god. Voice command.
Say a command.
Save video.
Say to him now. Tell me everything. Thank you. That was Sarah Bunger, just about a month after her mom passed away. Sarah's a high school English teacher in Chicago. She says that her dad has continued to...
Ici Denis Couture, voici les nouvelles. 7 personnes ont été arrêtées ce matin pour de la fraude, de la corruption et de l'abus de confiance dans les affaires municipales de la ville de Montréal. L'ex-président du comité exécutif, Frank Zampino, figure parmi les suspects qui auraient été impliqués dans ce système de partage de contrats publics octroyés par la ville entre...
Whoa. Get it. Sorry, Kylo.
Uncelebrated. I'm gonna like the unlikely and set the table for upset. Because the true sweetness of victory isn't in choosing what cannot happen. It's in choosing what can. Oh, hey, that's my cousin. I gotta get this. AT&T. Rethink possible. A smartphone and tablet in one. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Note. Only from AT&T, the nation's largest 4G network. 4G speeds not available everywhere. Limited 4G LTE availability in select markets. LTE is trademark of ETS.
He's standing there with the dishwasher cleaner and he's shaking it. And he's like, what's this do? And then like it cleans the inside of the dishwasher. Doesn't even stop, just fucking flies right through.